Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Fanzee token. Ticker symbol is FNZ. This token is just about to be listed on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Fanzee token. FANZEE, that's the name. FNZ is the ticker symbol. So this token is just about to be listed on February 9th. Today's February 7th, so in 2 days, February 9th, 12 o'clock UTC time, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an Mexc account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search FNZ, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So yeah, check out that Mexc referral code down there. So it says there is a maximum total supply of 2,100,000,000 FNZ tokens. It says Fanzee is a fan engagement platform designed to help sports and entertainment organizations meaningfully connect their fans through immersification, gamification experiences. So they have their block explorers on here. They have their official webpage, which is fnz.ee. And their Twitter's on here, at Fanzee Labs. They have a Telegram, at Fanzee Labs. And they also have a full white paper as well. It says, take your fans on a ride with you throughout designed fan journeys based on your events. Engage with your fans every step of the way. So they have become a partner. Check out the Fanzee platform, who we are, what we do for partners, and the Fanzee token sections on their page. So they have a marketplace, a digital marketplace where your fans can trade your assets. And fan levels, so there's different levels. Know your top fans, who they are, through the fan leaderboards, and reward them with exclusive rewards and money that money can't buy experiences. So basically it's kind of like Patreon, where you have different tiers and people can support, and you know, you have your top tier people that get different incentives and your bottom tier people and all that type of stuff. It says stay connected with your fans at all times through our apps, and you could download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Also, for socials on their webpage, they also have an Instagram, which is at Fanzee Club, and they have a LinkedIn as well, at Fanzee Labs. So the roadmap is on here as well. So on their roadmap, let's see here, it takes you over to a different web page. I don't know if this actually even works, the roadmap, yet. I think this is a fairly new token. I'm going to check out their Twitter here in a second. Click on Fanzee token, see what happens. Okay, so if you click on Fanzee token, it takes you over to a swap. And it looks like you could trade Amber tokens for Fanzee tokens, but you know, it's going to be a lot easier, obviously, to get this token off Mexc Global than do any of this stuff, because then you have to connect your wallet, acquire these Amber tokens, do all this type of stuff. It looks like they might offer staking and adding liquidity on here if you are interested in that, and you can find that at on their Fanzee token section on their page here. So it says, who we are, the ultimate team. The team consists of experienced and successful entrepreneurs supported by strong advisory boards. with experts in the world of sports and entertainment. They're partnered with FS Labs, Mexc Global, Altcoin Fund, Gate DWF Labs, Hectagon, and a whole bunch of other ones on here as well. So their team is doxed on the page here. I can see they all have their faces are posted on here. Their job titles are posted on here, full names, and they all have LinkedIn addresses and then like a little story behind them. They also have a background on here as well. Okay, I think their roadmap finally may have worked. No, for some reason it says click on roadmap and then you click on it and the page becomes blank. I might have to open it up in a different explorer. I'll try that. But yeah, it takes you over to a Notion site. I don't know if you guys have ever used Notion, but it just shows up blank for some reason. We'll try it on Microsoft Edge, see if it works. And yeah, besides that, if you want to stay up to date with what's going on in the project, it's always a good idea to follow their socials, like their Twitter and Telegram, or if you have any questions, those are good places to ask people or the devs on there as well. Okay, so the roadmap works when you open it up in a different browser. In Microsoft Edge it worked and not on Chrome, just an FYI for you. So it says Fanzee Labs roadmap starting in Q3 2022, platform beta launch, first 10 partners onboarded, internal payment and governance tokens launched, custom experiences for partners, fan base activated like custom domains, colors, etc. Then custom club tokens, engine beta launch, IDO, and decentralized exchange listings. So then Q4 last year, 2022, we had central exchange listings, authorization via Ton Keeper and the other Ton crypto wallets, launch of additional gamification mechanics and first mini games. And then this year, Q1 2023, we got PvP gamification mechanics launch, guilds launch, marketplace launch, staking and farming launch. And then Q2 2023, we got fantasy style team player games launch, launch of UGC content, and beta launch of platform for third-party minigame developers. And then NFT tickets engine launch in Q2 2023. And that is where the roadmap ends. So besides that, on their webpage, they also have quizzes. Put your fans' knowledge to the test with quizzes. They have collectibles, digital collectibles, digitize your assets and build exclusive collections for your fans. Interactive challenges. Engage your fans through a variety of fun challenges. Mini games. Engage your fans through a variety of challenges and mini games. And club tokens. Utility-driven tokens for your fan base. Basically the same as you see those sports club tokens pop up all the time on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, similar to that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.